Welcome to Taylor's Tale. Last year, we had huge success propagating fig trees from cuttings. After that video went live, we were blown away by all your support, comments, and kind words. To say thank you, today I'm sharing a full update on the 3 different growing methods we tried and how each one performed. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to reply as soon as I can. And if you missed it, I've pinned the link to our fig propagation video in the top comment. Feel free to check that out too. They are adorable, aren't they? After sharing some with friends, we retained 21 trees for ourselves. Some we planted directly in the ground. Others we grew in large pots. Both methods have their pros and cons. Let's start with planting straight into the ground. The advantages are obvious. Number 1, the roots have plenty room to grow. Number 2, you don't need to water as often, as the trees are less likely to dry out. But there are downsides too. It takes up a lot of space. If you like me with limited garden space or lots of plants already, finding room can be tricky. Fertilizing is harder. Established plants and weeds nearby have a strong root system, so they often steal the nutrients meant for your young fig trees. Now, what about grow in pots? The upsides are you can focus your watering and fertilizing right where it's needed, and it's much easier to keep weeds out. The drawbacks are root growth is restricted. After a year or two, the pot gets root bound, which can reduce fruit production, and they dry out fast. If you forget to water and a heat wave hits, your potted fig could die, unless you have an automatic watering system. So both methods really depends on your space and situation. To get the best of both worlds, I often use a third method: half pot, half ground planting. Here's how I do it. Take an old plastic bucket and drill several holes in the bottom. Bury it in the soil. First, add a layer of regular soil at the bottom. Then add a layer of kitchen scrap or other organic fertilizer. On top of that, add a layer of fully compost, matured soil. Plant your seedling right into that top layer. Important tip: don't let the young roots touch the raw compost or fertilizer directly. They might get burned. This method lets you concentrate fertilizer so other plants can't steal it, while the buried pot still lets roots access nature moisture from the surrounding soil. I started fertilizing 2 months after planting. My rule is small amounts, often, about once every 2 weeks. I focus on phosphorus to help root growth and potassium to boost fruiting. Blood and bone meal from the garden store is a great option. I also use my homemade enzyme fertilizer, which is rich in phosphorus and potassium. Mix 1 part of enzyme fertilizer with the 5 parts of water. In our next gardening video, I'll show you exactly how to make your own compost and enzyme fertilizer, plus how to use them on different fruit and veggies. You won't want to miss it. And the results? They started fruiting fast. Whether in the ground, in pots, or with the half-pot method, all 3 gave us amazing surprises. Honestly, from propagating the cuttings, to planting, to harvesting and eating our own figs, it took less than a year. That really exceeded my expectations. When the figs feel soft, they are ripe. And the taste, just like honey. Absolutely incredible. Thanks so much for watching. To help our channel grow, please give it a thumbs up and share it to others who love gardening. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss more high-quality videos. Your support means the world to us. See you next time.